Hi. Now we can see the alkyl group. One hydrogen atom is removed from alkane. We will get an alkyl group. It is that alkyl group is denoted by R. Okay. When we consider this compound, this is methane. We can remove the hydrogen from here. So it will become. If we remove the hydrogen, it will become CH3. Okay. Next, consider the ethane. From left to right, this is carbon number 1. From right to left, this is carbon number 1. So we can remove hydrogen either from side. So we will get the structure like this. So CH3, CH2. Or we can remove the hydrogen from here, C2H5 also. Okay, C2H5. You have to put a hyphen. Because any group, just suppose if you put a OH group, then it will become ethyl alcohol. Okay. Yeah. Then 3 carbon atoms are here. So from left to right, this is carbon number 1. This is 2. And this is from right to left, this is carbon number 1. So there are 2 probabilities to remove the hydrogen, either from the first carbon or from the second carbon. So 2 structures are possible. First one is CH3, CH2, CH2 bond. Another one is CH3, CH bond. Okay, like this, or CH3. When we consider the C4H10, that means C4H9 for alkyl group. From left to right, carbon number 1, this is 2. From right to left, 1 and this is 2. Nothing but, suppose we remove the hydrogen from here and put a OH group, we have to start the number from only right to left, not left to right, like this. Okay, first carbon, these 2 are second carbon, so 2 probabilities. If we remove the hydrogen from the first carbon, we will get the structure like this. From the second carbon, we can get a structure like this. Okay. Okay, 2 structures are possible. When we consider here, this is first carbon, second carbon, and it is also first carbon because from left to right, first carbon. Here 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, this is also first carbon. So all the 3 are first carbon and this one is the second carbon. If we remove the hydrogen from the first carbon, we will get the structure like this. Okay. Remove the hydrogen from the second carbon, the structure is CH3, CH3, CH3 and the bond is here. Okay. So this group are called as alkyl group. Already it is denoted by R. How to name the alkyl group? Name alkyl group. Alk is nothing but root word plus YL. Suffix. Root word is root word plus suffix YL. How many carbon atoms? 1 carbon. So the root word is meth. YL methyl. Here how many carbon? 2 carbon. Root word here thil. So 3 carbon atoms. Propyl. Okay, 2 propyl groups are 2 propyl. So how to distinguish it? By using chain. This is a normal chain, so you can call it as N propyl. This is nothing but iso group, so you can call it as isopropyl. Both are same. This is iso. Both are same. So this is isopropyl. Here all the 4 groups, 4 structures are butyl, 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 butyl and butyl. How to distinguish? This is the normal chain. So N-butyl, you know very well, this is iso. That means, okay, 1-methyl ethyl. 1-methyl ethyl is called iso. So this is called isobutyl. This is called a secondary. Why it is called a secondary carbon? Because we removed the hydrogen from the secondary carbon. Secondary carbon means the carbon which is directly bonded to 2 carbon atoms. Okay, so this butyl is called secondary butyl. Last one, we know very well this carbon is tertiary carbon. We removed the hydrogen from the tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon, the carbon which is bonded to 3 carbon atoms directly. So that butyl is called as tertiary butyl. Alkyl groups are very essential to name aldehyde, ketones, alcohol, carboxylic acids, etc. So many functional groups can be explained by using alkyl groups. So alkyl group is very important. Next we can see the alkene. alkene. Even in alkyl group, we know very well iso means, okay, iso here, 2-ethyl propyl group is called as isobutyl group. When we consider the secondary butyl, 1,1 dimethyl ethyl. 1,1 dimethyl ethyl is called as a tertiary butyl. Another one is neopentyl. If you put a CH3 group, then it is called a neopentane. CH3 means neopentane. If one hydrogen atom is removed, then the group is called as neopentyl group. Next, we can see the alkene. Alkenes are also called as olefins. Alkenes are also called as olefins. Its general formula is CnH2n, CnH2n, CnH2n. If you put one hydrogen atom, then CH2. 2 hydrogen atom, C2H4, 3 C3H6, C4H8. So CH2, carbon valency is 4. So this is nothing but only group. Methylene compound is not possible. It is a methylene group. It is used to name the compounds. So CH double bond, CH here 1, 2, 3. The position is 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2. So put the double bond here. Here 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is position 1 and 2. This is 2 and 3. This is also 1 and 2. When we consider the 4 carbon atoms, the branch, we can like this. Position is 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. So this is nothing but alkene. You can know how to balance it. CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Okay. How to name it? In IUPAC system, it is named as root word plus ENE. Root word plus ENE. That means alkene. First one's name is methane. Second one, ethene. Root word ene. 3 carbon atoms, propene. Here, both are butene. We can distinguish by using position of the double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the double bond is between 1 and 2. So this is called 1 butene. Here it is called 2 butene. 1 butene and 2 butene. Here IUPAC rules. Select the longest carbon chain in which the functional group should be present. So this is the main chain. Numbering should be start from the functional groups. So 1, 2, 3. So propene or proponene. The branch is at the second position. So 2-methyl. 2-methyl proponene or propene. No problem. Proponene or 2-methyl propene. When we consider the common system, it is named as root word plus YLENE, alkylene. So first one's name is methylene. Second one, ethylene. Third one, propylene. Here both are butylene. In common system, we should not use numbers. So what we have to do, this is alpha position, this is beta position, this is gamma like this. So double bond is between alpha and beta, so alpha butylene. So beta and gamma, so this is called a beta butylene, alpha butylene and a beta butylene. This is number like 1 and 2. Okay, here this is iso. So its name is isobutylene. Okay. Like alkyl group, we can get an alkenyl group from alkene. That means one hydrogen atom is removed from alkene. When we consider ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2 if one hydrogen is removed. The similar way, when we consider propylene, CH2 double bond CH, CH3 if one hydrogen atom is removed. In IUPAC system, it is named as alk, ene and YL. Alkenyl. Up 2 carbon atoms, so eth, double bond En, YL, ethenyl. And this one is called 3 carbon atoms, prop, En, YL, propenyl. When we consider the common system, this group is called as vinyl group. Very, very important. And this group is called as allyl group. You have to memorize it. CH2 double bond CH, single bond is vinyl. Suppose we are put Cl, vinyl chloride. The similar way, CH2 double bonds, okay, this is put I, allyl iodide. Or if we put a OH, this one is called allyl alcohol. Similar way, we can name the compounds. Okay.